Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to cornrow your own hair. If you are new to my channel, my name is Adedoyin, and if you are not new, thank you so much for coming back to my channel today. So like I said, today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to cornrow your own hair, and as you can see, I am not doing it on my own hair in this video. I'm going to be using my friend, her name is Amaka, as my model today, and I feel like if you can learn how to cornrow anybody's hair, like your friend's hair or anybody, then you would be able to do it on your own self, on your own hair. I feel like what really matters most is the technique and the direction of your hands. I mean, just know how to cornrow, basically, whether on yourself or on another person's hair. Okay, it really does not matter, just know how to cornrow. So today I'm going to be using my friend's head, Amaka, to give you guys this tutorial. Okay, so the first thing I did was to part the hair into two different sections, like always, because it makes the whole thing easy. And also, I'm really not going to be talking so much in today's video, because if I decide to talk, I might confuse you. So I'm just going to leave you guys to watch this video and just look at the direction of my hand and just learn as you go. I'm also going to be showing you guys different camera angles so that you can actually get the full tutorial, and so that you can see the different directions of my hands. Okay?
I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in, so take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith.
Okay, so I really want to talk at this point. So when you want to make your cornrows or flat twist or hairstyles like this, you want to make sure that when you are parting the hair, like when you are making the individual parts like this, you want to make sure that the hair that you part at the beginning is more than the hair that you part towards the end, like towards the nape area. And this is because the hair around the nape area is always, is not always as much as the hair in front. So it's really important that you part the hair in that same shape, like in that same manner, so that the hair in front is more than the hair at the back, just as you are seeing it right now. That way you'll be able to, your cornrow just comes, perfectly, and all the hair coming in front goes all the way to the back, if that makes sense at all. Okay, so let me just leave you guys to watch this tutorial and follow through so that you can understand properly. If you understand, let me know eventually in the comment section. Okay.
I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in, so take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith.
Also, I really need to mention this, that if you are really new to this cornrow thing, if you have never cornrowed before and this is your first time doing it and you are trying to learn, I honestly want to tell you that you will not get it the first time. Let me be so sure, you might not get it the first time. You will need to practice a lot, because I can remember when I started learning hairdressing, and when I was about to learn this particular style, this cornrow thing, it took me about 2 weeks to be able to learn it really well. And I didn't really have access to online tutorials like this. I chop beating that time. Yes, I can remember that time when I was learning hairdressing. So I just want you to be patient with yourself and follow through with this tutorial. This tutorial, even though I am no, I'm not trying to confuse you by explaining how the direction of my hands. I just feel like you can still understand by following the way my hands are moving, the way my fingers are moving. I feel like that is the best way for you to actually understand, because if I start explaining like, oh, this particular finger goes like this, you will definitely get confused. So I just want you to watch and learn and follow through with this tutorial. Okay? Also, if you need to learn how to flat twist your own natural hair or your own relaxed hair, whatever, if you don't know how to flat twist, I have a video on how you can flat twist your hair as well. You may want to check that video out after watching this video. The link is going to be in the description box. Okay, so yeah. Also, I really do not care what anybody wants to say to me or anything. I honestly feel like doing relaxed hair, like my friends here, Hamaka, her hair here is relaxed, and I've been doing my own natural hair and my other friends' natural hair for a while too. And I can tell you that it is really easier to do relaxed hair than to do natural hair when it comes to, you know, styling like this, like doing cornrows or flat twist or stuff like that. I feel like it is easier. There is nothing anybody wants to tell me. It is easier. I carry natural hair. I have natural hair too. So it's not like I'm trying to, you know, side with relaxed hair. It's just the truth. It is easier to do relaxed hair than, you know, working with relaxed hair than natural hair. So that is why it is really important that if you have natural hair, you will have to know how to work with your own hair, so that even if you don't have access to the salon, you'll still be able to do something with your own hair. Okay, so I feel like we are still getting to that point where, you know, all salons will be able to undo natural hair really easily. But honestly speaking, from my own experience and because I work with a lot of people's hair, I feel like it is kind of easier to work with relaxed hair than with natural hair. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if you also feel like that in the comment section. Okay? Okay, so that is actually that for this tutorial. If you did not get it this first time, like watching it this first time, I am sure that you are going to get it when you watch it over and over and over again. So all you have to do is save this video to your laptop or to your phone or wherever. You can mute it, like you can mute this like audio and just follow through with, you know, the tutorial, the direction of my hand. Do not forget to hold your scalp. It is always very important. So let me know what you think in the comment section, just like always, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video.
I never wanna look